Yes, how to style a bandana on your neck, how to fold that bandana on your neck, how to add that bandana as an accessory to hide something on your neck. I will be giving you so much. That is tips as we continue, not one or two. Just stay tuned to the very end to discover this because I got you covered. Okay, and as we continue, I want to request something from you, just very simple. Just like this video, give it that thumbs up, support me by doing that. Okay, so you can leave a comment either way, and also you can make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel. It is free to do that, and you can always talk to me via my social media pages, which are in the description for your support. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready for this? Because I want us to get right into it. Okay, so what you need is one thing is a bandana. Some people may use a scarf, so this also can see it's how to style a scarf on your neck. It is super easy, and I want you to do it with me because this is just for you. So make sure that you have your bandana with you somewhere where you can place it. If you find it hard to do it on air, you can just look for somewhere to place it, a flat surface. It's much easier. And yeah, let's get into the different tips. Told you it's more than one. So this is my bandana, like this. Having placed it here, let me place it on my head right there. What I do is from one corner, I'm going to pick it from that corner and then use it directly into the other corner, and then I'll be forming something like a triangle, like that. Okay, and then after forming that, the next thing you do is take your bandana like this, fold it. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you about a flat surface like this, and then you fold it like that, and make sure you're doing it in the right direction. Having folded it like that once, you see what you're leaving out a little patch right there. Place it now. It's time to place it on your neck. This is the first step. Remember, we have different styles today. Place it on your neck like that. Okay, when it is like this is how we are placing it. When it is like this, that is how you will place it on your neck. For the first tutorial, the first style, easily. And so having had it like this, on this one you place this one on top like that, and then this other one you bring it from below like that, and then turn it a little bit like this, and then place it there. So this is what it looks like from the side and this other side. You see, it looks elegant. Let me drop this. Looks elegant, looks very elegant. And so that is simple step number one. So the other one you can do is form like a diamond, and then from the top drop it like that up to down, then have something like that, and then after having something like that from the top, drop it like that like that, and then do it another time and a second time like that. Remember, we're doing these simply, so like that's how it looks like, and then place it like this. Okay, so from behind, that is where our knot will come in. Pick this side, and then fold. So you have something like a necklace right there on your. You can actually drop it a little bit the way you feel like. Then wow, okay, it looks amazing. You can choose to bring in another knot, but I prefer it this way. That is how it looks from the back. Yeah. And then from the front, You can also choose to just let those wings drop at the back. Okay. So the other way on the same, pick the same bandana. Remember, if you have different ones, you can use a different one at this point. Having held it like this, from the top we drop, and then we make the triangle. Okay, we make that triangle right there. And then on the same, with the same size, this time we're not like folding it like another time. And by the way, as you continue, tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite style so far. Style number 1, style number 2, or this third style that you're getting into right now. So just talk to me in the comment section. Feel free. Also like this video, shares out, tell a friend, about this YouTube channel. Actually appreciate that a lot when you do that, when you tell someone about this channel. Yeah, and make sure you watch out my other tutorials. I have so many tutorials on bandana, on lifestyle, and videos on lifestyle. You can check out how we live around here. Okay, so far so good. I hope you're going with me. Yeah, let me just restate what I said. With your bandana like this, drop it like that. And now this time we're going to leave it to be free like this, but here we're going to like tie something differently. We're going to involve something else. Okay, so you can just place it like that. It's easy. So you pick it like this, just tie a very loose knot. You can do 2 so that it doesn't come off. Okay, and so if you have like a bare top or something of the sort, this one will go well hand in for you. Or if you want it more to the neck, maybe you are trying to cover something, a mark or something, you can just tighten it. Instead of doing it loose, you just tighten it like that. Okay, yeah, you just tighten it like that, or you can just like rotate the scarf. That is, well, the bandana, well, it is like this. You just flip it to the back. Let me show you that. Instead of placing it at the front, you just place it at the back, and then do your knot. Pick this one like this. This side, you place it on top of this one like that. Voila. And it gives you so many choices, so many preferences. You can choose to place it on the side, again on the front, but this one, because we're doing the replica, the opposite of behind and in front, so you just place it at the front, and then you can add in some more knots. To make like a flower kind of. I think if I had worn a different color, you could see that the knots more clearly than now. Like, is it like that? This one gives you so many choices. Let me not strangle myself. You can choose to place it to the front. I love the front one. Or just like this. And do the knot. And just do one. Perfect. My goodness, I love this one. I think I love this one. Looks amazing, right? What do you think about it? Tell me in the comment section. Yeah. Oh, I think this one is my favorite. Yeah. Until I can push it a little to the side. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it looks amazing. Wow. Wow. That's spectacular. And you can add in other accessories as you wish, as you want to. Oh goodness. So guys, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you like this video, make sure that you check out my other uploads for yourself and upload this channel, and let's catch up on the next update.